Woo! Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. We're going to be talking about why the heck is crypto up right now. You're probably wondering you as well. So we're going to be talking about that, dive into that. It's pretty good news. Finally, we got some good crypto news out there. So yeah, we're going to be talking about that much more in this video and update you to all things crypto, what's going on with the markets, guys. So go down there, smash the likes like crazy, show that you're a human being, and share this video. Share it with your cats, dogs, brothers, sisters, aliens, your grandma, your neighbors, the people you don't like. Share the freaking video already. Smash the likes. It's a great time to be alive. So in case you guys are sleeping under a rock somewhere, you may have noticed that the total market cap right now is above 3 trillion. This is pretty good news, as yesterday the market cap was at 2.94. So we're up like 2.58%. Time to get some gel. So we're up 2.58%, not too shabby. Keep in mind the Bitcoin dominance is like screaming like bull run out there. So we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is at 96,795. So it was at 97,300 some change. So it's pulled back a little bit, but that's up 3%. Ethereum is also up as well, $1,828. Nice. We're seeing XRP is up as well, 2%. BNB is up 0.89%. Solana, Wana is up 2.37%. And we're seeing that the Doge is $2.35. Now, okay. Full disclosure time. I love the Doge. I'm a big Doge fan, big Doge supporter. I've been cranking out videos for like 3.5 years. Mainly about Doge. Now, I have not switched my thinking about Doge, but I am focusing more on XRP right now because I think XRP has more upside in the short term. That's all. I'm still covering the news. So right now, let's dive into it. Hey, there we go. My internet's kind of weird and wacky today. What's going on? The internet gods are not smiling on the OG. So we're seeing $2.14. Nice. So what about the Doge? What's going on with the Doge? Doge is also up 17.16 as well. So not too shabby. Okay, but the main reason that Doge and XRP and Bitcoin is up right now is because of this. We saw that the S&P futures were up. Everything is up. Everything is nice. And it was because China has agreed to start trade talks. Okay, there are going to be trade talks with China, so this pumped the market. Everybody's talking about it. Everyone's talking about it. Stock futures rise on news of upcoming U.S.-China trade talks. So it's all about China trade talks. And I told you, this is just Donald Trump rattling the sabers to get some notification out there. Get noticed. So this is pretty good overall. We're seeing nice positive. So this has had a positive effect on crypto. Crypto has pumped. We see positive everywhere, green everywhere. Who loves green? We're seeing the crypto bubbles also looking pretty good. Everything is up. Pengu's up. Fed is up. LTC is up 12%. Not too shabby, right? So you guys are feeling pretty good. The Doge is up 2.3%. We need that. You need it. Fear and greed right now is at 67. Nice. Pretty good. Overall, if we take a look at the monthly returns for May, we're up 2.89% for Biddy. That is pretty good. We're seeing Q2 is looking pretty good for Ethereum, up 1.05%. And Q2 is up 17.37%. But Q1 was a stinker, right? Down 11.82%. And look at Ethereum. Hammer time. Ethereum got hammered out there. Liquidation-wise, what's this? Alpaca. Isn't that one of those things that spit? Okay. So we're seeing a total right now of long and short pretty much even out there. Don't forget we got FOMC. We're hours away from that. And from my perspective, from my general perspective for FOMC, there's not going to be no rate hikes. There's going to be no rate declines. It's just going to stay exactly where it is. I think it's really a nothing burger out there, in my opinion. DXY down, good. We're seeing that Bitcoin did hit a high, did peak to 97,751. Nice. So that is pretty good, and I'm pretty happy that this upward sloping support held and was tested, but held. That is good news. If you take a look at what's going on with XRP, now if you look at that, this is just so annoying, right? I believe this is being artificially depressed and held back by someone for whatever reasons. But institutions are buying up XRP like crazy. Then we got ETFs that are going to happen. We got a lot of good stuff happening for XRP. Now Doge as well, just going sideways. We did have this W patent that failed and got rejected here, and we do have this descending triangle, and we kind of have even a smaller descending triangle right here for the Doge. Let me get that in there. Get my tools. You see right here as well. So we're just in this area here. Now, if we don't break out, then we're definitely going to go down to 12 cents. So we need to break out. We definitely need to break out of that. That's so important out there. So yeah, this is some of the big news that's happening right now. Bitcoin hit 97,000. China confirms plan to begin trade talks, negotiations with the United States. Positive news out there. Just India launches missile attack on Pakistan. That's not good. What the heck's going on with that? U.S. and U.K. expect to sign new trade agreement this week, so that is pretty good. Justin BlackRock, Larry Fink, Elon Musk, and Mark Zuckerberg attend investor conference in Saudi Arabia to boost U.S. investments. Good news, right? A lot of good news. Yeah, President Trump says India agreed to eliminate all tariffs on U.S. goods. Positive news out there. Good stuff, right? The New Hampshire governor signs law allowing the state to invest in Bitcoin and crypto. Positive. Justin Canada Prime Minister Carney arrives at the White House for trade negotiations with President Trump. Very good news. Very good news. Justin, United States, Saudi Arabia preparing to finalize new mining deals. So a lot of good stuff out there. Justin, Treasury Secretary Basnet says central bank digital currency is a sign of weakness and we should not support the Fed issuing one. Okay. All right. So a lot of good stuff out there. What else we got? From Cointelegraph, what's the breaking news here? Latest Standard Chart predicts BNB could more than double. Nice. What else? New Bitcoin dominance above 65, the highest it's been in 4 years. Good news. Big bull run, guys. Big bull run's coming. Justin BTC reclaims 97. We all know that. Good. What else we got? We got more China talks. Looks like Insight, 3% Bitcoin allocation outperformed cash and money market funds since 2020. So that is good news, guys. Nice. What else is going on? Insight blockchain is no longer just a tech buzzer. It's becoming financial backbone. What else? New European Central Bank EC plans to partner with private sector to develop digital Europe. I'm not a big fan of that. FOMC, the Federal Reserve, will announce its decision on interest rates on May 7th at 2 p.m. Get ready, guys. Get ready. So a lot of good stuff, guys. A lot of good stuff out there. I'm loving it. You should be loving it too. Yeah, it's good news. Overall good news, guys. So go follow me. Wise up. Follow me. Follow the OG. I appreciate it, guys. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.